Hey, this is Jack here with Jack Does Websites. I am going to be doing a free website audit giveaway for the one person that enters into this giveaway. This is going to be a full-on website audit for you. I'm going to be checking to make sure that you have all of the primary core SEO issues all ironed out, as well as indexation, site architecture, Google Search Console set up, Google Analytics set up, making sure that your schema markup is set up too as well. And then if you're on a WordPress website, I'm going to make sure that you have all of your plugins in there that you should to help with page speed optimization. And then as well, if you're a local business or just a business in general, I'll look over your Google My Business to make sure that it is all set up as it should be. As well, page speed optimization as well, just to make sure that everybody can get onto your website that needs to get onto your website. All you have to do is like this video, subscribe to my channel, and as well, I'll have a link down in the front of the comments right there for you guys. All you have to do is put an email address in so I can tell you that you win. Put a website URL in there so I know obviously which website that I'm auditing, and then to Google My Business name, and I will pick a winner, and it will be on June 28th. So that's when the giveaway will be ending. It'll be ending at noon Central Time, my time, so noon Central, 6:28, and then I'll be making a video as well, which will gain you a lot of exposure for your website for a lot of people checking it out afterwards. So again, all you have to do is like, subscribe, and also enter into this giveaway here, and I'll be performing it on June 28th, 2020 at noon. Wish you all the best, and hopefully we have a great winner from this. Peace.